Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing both accounts so the transfer is clean. Sign into the Google account currently backing up your photos, then sign into the new Google account on the same device or browser. Make sure backup and sync is enabled on the source account so every photo is uploaded and fully synced. Once done, check storage usage and free space in the destination account if you plan to copy everything, because transfers can require extra space. Now transfer your library using partner sharing. From Photos settings, choose Partner Sharing, add your new account, select Share All Photos or pick date ranges, then accept on the destination account and choose Add to Library. If you prefer file-level control, use Google Takeout to export the original files and upload them to the new account. This preserves original EXIF but requires manual upload. Make sure albums and collaborator links are adjusted, and verify. Finish by confirming every album and photo exists in the new account. Then disable backup and sync on the old account to avoid future duplications. Tidy up by removing duplicates, fixing album names, and resharing important albums. If items are missing, make sure the source account finished syncing, check trash for recently deleted photos, or re-export missing ranges via Takeout. If partner sharing failed, revoke and re-add the share. And when necessary, use manual download / upload as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.